Welcome, students. Welcome to the Prolific Business and Innovation Academy Basic Certification Program, BCP. This is course Gens101, Entrepreneurship and Value Creation Fundamentals. Today's lecture focuses on modules 5 and 6. These two modules are extremely important because they represent a shift from learning concepts to applying entrepreneurship in the real world. This is where theory meets action. Module 5, Practical Field Project, Applying One Business Idea. In Module 5, we move from learning to doing. Everything you have learned in Modules 1 through 4 must now be applied in a practical, real-world context. The goal here is not perfection. The goal is action, learning, and continuous improvement. Entrepreneurship is built through experimentation, not assumptions. Your task. Each student must select one business idea identified earlier in the course. Once you have chosen your idea, you are required to, first, apply a suitable business model and monetization strategy. Second, test your idea through real market interaction using minimal or no capital. Third, document your experiences, findings, and lessons learned in a short written report. Approved project types. You may choose one of the following project categories: a service-based business test, a digital product concept test, an online selling or reselling test, a consulting or freelancing offer test, or a community-based solution pilot. Fieldwork requirements. Each student must complete at least 2 practical market actions. These include, but are not limited to, speaking with potential customers online or offline to understand their pain points and confirm whether they will be willing to pay for a solution. Promoting your business idea or offer via WhatsApp or social media. Collecting feedback on pricing or perceived value. And attempting at least 2 sales or sign-ups. This is real market exposure, not simulation. Reporting format. Your project report must be between 2 and 4 pages and must clearly include 1. The problem you identified, 2. A description of your business idea, 3. The business model you selected, 4. Your monetization plan, 5. Actions taken in the market, 6. Feedback or results obtained, 7. Lessons learned, and 8. Your improvement plan. Assessment focus for Module 5. Your project will be assessed based on practical effort and execution, understanding of real market realities, clarity of thinking and reporting, and your ability to learn from feedback. Execution matters more than perfection. Module 6. Classroom presentation, question and answer, and final assessment. Presentation date is scheduled to hold by 8:30 p.m. Nigerian time on Saturday, the 17th of January 2026. Module 6 is your opportunity to present your work, defend your thinking, and demonstrate entrepreneurial reasoning. This mirrors real business environments where ideas are questioned, strategies are challenged, and value must be clearly explained. Student presentation requirements. Each student or cohort, where applicable, will deliver a presentation lasting 5 to 10 minutes. Your presentation must cover the problem identified, why the problem is worth solving, the solution you offered, your business model and monetization approach, market actions taken, results or feedback or challenges encountered, and lessons learned, including your next steps. Question and answer session. After each presentation, lecturers and fellow students will ask questions. These questions will test market understanding, feasibility of the idea, pricing and value logic, scalability or improvement potential, and practical decision-making. You are expected to answer clearly, honestly, and confidently, even if your project did not succeed. Failure is part of entrepreneurship. Students' question preparation. Before Module 6, each student must prepare at least 3 questions. These questions may relate to your business idea, challenges faced, market entry difficulties, pricing or competition, or next growth steps. Prepared questions encourage deeper thinking and shared learning. Final assessment criteria. Final assessment focuses on practical application, theory is secondary. Effort and execution, market relevance, clarity of explanation, ability to respond to questions effectively, and learning gained from the process. Failure is acceptable. Lack of effort is not. Summary and closing. Modules 5 and 6 emphasize doing, learning, and presenting. You are expected to take your idea to the market, test it, gather feedback, and confidently present your findings. Emphasis. Entrepreneurship is about action, adaptability, and continuous learning from real-world experiences. Prepare to apply your knowledge and demonstrate your entrepreneurial mindset.